Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle. If you're new here, I hope you're here to stay. Come spend the week with me during test week. It is currently 5:30 a.m. Is it? Oh, it's 5:35 a.m. I have to start getting ready at 6 a.m. Well, I'm done. I just have to do a few touch-ups and then I'll be good. Wish me luck. This is my second test, by the way. I wrote my first test on Saturday and it was a mess. But we move. My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My hope is fun like Jackie Brown. Hi guys, I'm done getting ready and I'm heading to my exam venue right now. My exam starts at 7:30 a.m. and it is currently 6:50 a.m. I think I'll make it to campus by 7 a.m. or 5 minutes past 7 a.m. latest. I am done writing my test. I am currently walking home right now. I feel so sleepy, so I'm gonna get home, probably make myself something to eat and then sleep, because today I woke up at 1 a.m. guys. 1 unboxing time. I feel like every time I post a vlog on YouTube, I'm unboxing something from Take a Lot. And to be honest with you, I haven't ordered anything from Take a Lot until the last time you saw me unboxing something from Take a Lot, which was like more than a month ago. I guess you guys can already guess what it is. So this is my third book purchase. Better than the movies. Well, I haven't read a summary of the book. I haven't checked the book reviews. Nothing. I hope it's nice. The last time I spoke to you guys was when I came back from writing my test and I told you guys that I'm going to take a nap. Well, I did take a nap. I think I slept at around 11 and woke up at around 2. Like, that's how tired I was. Because I only slept for like what? 2 hours and 30 minutes or 3 hours the previous night. So, yeah, I wasn't gonna survive the whole day without taking a nap. Anyways, it is currently, I don't know, somewhere close to 7 p.m. right now, and I am currently having dinner. Please do not judge my portions, guys, like, come on. Anyways, I cooked dinner yesterday and I cooked enough food for 5 days. I don't know, man, I think I'm going to get tired of eating the same meal. Like, I'm definitely gonna get tired, but it's fine. It is test week and I don't want to be stressing about what I'm going to eat when I get home from the library or from writing a test. And I don't want to spend like more than an hour cooking, because now I prefer fresh homey meals, you know, and obviously that takes longer to cook. So I don't want to be doing that, else I'll be wasting my time. And I get tired of this, I'll just eat bread, you know. Yeah, but I'll be fine. Anyways, I'm going to eat now, and then after that I am going to log in. Well, I've been reading. I did a bit of studying. I think I started an assignment. I think I am halfway through that assignment. So yeah, I did do something, and I've been reading this book. I am trying to finish it. I started it last week, and did I show you guys that I bought a new one today? Yeah, oh my gosh. Okay, I'll see you guys when I see you, I guess, because I don't think you guys would love watching me eat, right? I don't think so. Before I get back to the books, let's make something nice. I was thinking of making a chocolate mug cake because I have chocolate in the fridge and I don't like it. Like, I don't know, I don't like it. So let me try to make something nice with it. Good morning guys, welcome to day 2 of the vlog. It is currently 10 a.m. and I am getting ready to go to the library to finish a group assignment. Well, I'm a bit late. I just hope my group mate is not mad at me. Without wasting any more time, I am quickly going to pack my bag and leave. Going home right now because it started to rain. I don't have an umbrella and I don't want the rain to get worse, and now I'm stuck on campus, and besides I'm hungry, so I have to go home and eat. I think we're just gonna have to finish the assignment via call or something. I don't know. I am so very wet. I am so wet. Anyways, I'm just gonna make myself something to eat right now because I haven't eaten today. Yeah, so let me do that. I think I'm gonna make, I don't know, there's this fancy little lunch idea I saw on TikTok. I think I'm gonna try that. Like Bob Saget, greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care what you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julia Styles, this ain't no last dance. Way past it, wait. Fucking on my ex, cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my space speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my how the time change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the pick me. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I dream living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. Decision. Performance. The results associated with completing
Environmental performance will interest sustainability-driven groups and regulators. They'll focus on resource use and environmental responsibility.
You ain't getting your bitch back. Calm down, sugar, be worse, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never see where you lay at.
Hello guys and welcome to day 3 of the vlog. So I slept so late. I think I slept at around 3:30 a.m. or 4 a.m. and then I woke up around 9. So I think I had enough sleep. So I just finished showering, getting ready and stuff like that, and I made myself porridge. So I'm just gonna continue studying because my test is in the afternoon, so I have enough time to do more studying. Otherwise, I'll see you guys when I see you.
Needed the most. We have to give thanks like when it's supposed to be thankful. Blessings all coming like fun. But thank God for the journey, the earnings, that's to the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah. Blessings all coming right back.
Oh, guys, it is very cold in Pretoria. Like, I am really not used to this. So I woke up in the morning, saw the sun outside, and I was like, oh, it's a sunny day today. That's good. And then now that I'm sitting at this desk, I'm literally freezing. Don't get me wrong, I love winter. Like, winter is my favorite season. I prefer winter over summer because I don't like the idea of sweating and everything else that comes with hot weather. But I think it's way too cold, guys. Like, I don't know, maybe something is wrong with my skin. You know what, I'm gonna check the temperature now. I can only imagine how it is inside those exam halls. Oh wow. Hello guys, and welcome to day 4 of the vlog. It is currently around 10 a.m. I woke up at around 9 a.m. today because I slept at around 4 a.m. Yeah, I think so. So I woke up at around 9. Oh, I'm not writing today, but I'm writing tomorrow. And I'm writing on Saturday as well. So this is just gonna be a study day in my life. So I'm not feeling very hungry today, so I just made 1 packet of noodles. I'm going to eat and I'm going to study after that. I'm gonna be studying for the whole day today. Hope I don't procrastinate, yo. Every time I want to study, I play these videos on YouTube, and it just made me realize how much people study. Okay, like, people study. I usually watch this girl, her name is Merv. Yeah, her name is Merv. She does 4-hour study sessions, 8-hour study sessions, and guys, you'll never see her take her phone, go on TikTok or anything like that. Like, during her 10 minutes breaks, she'll just stand up, probably get a snack or something, and when that 30 minutes is done, she gets back to her desk. I'm just like, where do you get that amount of focus? Like, I don't know. Yo.
One day you dream of what you won't do for love. You tried everything, but you won't give up. You're in my world, only you make me do when I'm good now. Now my friends wonder what is wrong with me. Well, I'm in a day when your love you see. Now I came back to let you know that I think.
Good morning guys, and welcome to day 5 of my vlogging vlog. That was cringe. Anyways, I'm getting ready to go and write my my 10 a.m. semester test. I'm in the second slot this time. The last time I wrote this test, I was part of the first batch to write, which was the 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. slot, but this time around I'm in the 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. slot, which I love so much because at least I got enough sleep. Anyways, it's currently 8:45 right now, and I think I have to go by either 9:30 or 9:40 a.m. latest, and there's no water at my race. Well, I don't think it's my race only. I think there's no water in the whole area. Don't ask me how I'm going to shower. I have my ways, okay?
We confronted the situation in front of.
Hi guys, I'm finally done getting ready. It is currently 20 minutes past 9 and I have to be at the venue 20 minutes before the test starts. So I'm carrying this little handbag because it is a computer-based test and I don't see why it's necessary for me to carry a whole school bag because I'm just going to ride and then come back to my room. I just hope they fix this water issue because my 5 liter is literally empty, meaning I have to go refill it when I come back. May grace be upon me, y'all. I'm not really nervous. I feel like I'm well prepared for this one, but I'm just gonna look over the summaries I have on my phone while heading to the venue. May grace be, oh my gosh, may grace be upon me.
I see you in my dreams. I keep you in my prayers.
Hi guys, I haven't spoken to you guys in a minute. Anyways, it's currently 7:30 p.m. I am getting ready to go to the library with a friend. We're probably gonna come back around 12 a.m. to 1 a.m. Quick plug, ne, for the girlies. If you are someone who struggles with dry skin, especially during the winter, I highly recommend this at night. Or any baby aqua cream from any brand will do the job. That's what I just applied on my face because I know I'm going outside and it's so cold that I know that my skin is going to get stripped off of its moisture. Anyways, let me go.